In the city of Changsha, in China's Hunan province, a team of workers and 3 cranes gathered at a construction site on a morning in June 2021. And by the following evening, before the next day had even ended, they had assembled a fully functional 10-story residential apartment building, complete with electricity, plumbing, air conditioning, ventilation, and furnished interiors, ready for people to move into. And that building is the Living Building, constructed by Broad Group. And at first glance, it appears to be simply another impressive demonstration of Chinese construction speed. But what Broad Group truly created when it assembled this structure in just 28 hours and 45 minutes was the definitive proof that one of humanity's oldest industries had been permanently and irreversibly transformed. Because the building did not grow from the ground up in the way that every building in human history had grown before it. Instead, it arrived at the construction site already built, already finished, already furnished, inside standard shipping containers that had been loaded onto flatbed trucks at a factory 30 minutes away. And all that remained to be done on site was to stack those containers into position, bolt them together, and connect the water and electricity supplies that were already pre-installed, waiting inside each module for the moment of connection. Broad Group is a Chinese technology and manufacturing company headquartered in Changsha, the capital city of Hunan Province in central China, founded in 1988 by Chairman Zhang Yu, who built the company initially into one of China's leading manufacturers of non-electric air conditioning systems before making a pivotal decision in 2009 to redirect a significant portion of the company's engineering and financial resources towards solving what he considered to be the most important unsolved problem in the global construction industry. The system that Broad Group developed over the following 14 years of research and development is called the Living Building System in its original form and the Holon Building System in its most advanced current iteration. It is a completely factory-manufactured modular construction technology in which every component of a multi-story building, including the structural steel frame, the floor and ceiling panels, the interior walls, the windows and balconies, the electrical wiring, the plumbing pipes, the air conditioning equipment, and all interior finishes, is manufactured, assembled, and installed inside a controlled factory environment before the completed modules are transported to the building site as standard shipping container-sized packages for final on-site assembly. The fundamental structural innovation that makes the Living Building System possible is Broad Group's proprietary B-Core structural panel, a material consisting of 2 stainless steel plates bonded together with an array of hundreds of thin stainless steel connecting tubes, creating a composite sandwich panel that the company states is 10 times lighter than a conventional concrete floor slab of equivalent structural capacity and 100 times stronger, making it possible to build complete building modules that are light enough to be transported inside standard 40-foot shipping containers, yet strong enough to support the structural loads of a multi-story high-rise building. Each individual living building module measures 12.19 meters in length, 2.44 meters in width, and 3 meters in height, precisely matching the dimensions of a standard 40-foot high-cube shipping container, meaning that the completed modules can be transported by any truck, ship, or rail system in the world without requiring any specialist heavy transport equipment, and that Broad Group's buildings can be delivered to construction sites anywhere on Earth using the existing global logistics infrastructure at standard shipping rates. The most dramatic demonstration of what this system can achieve was completed on June 17, 2021, when Broad Group assembled a fully finished 10-story residential apartment building in Changsha in just 28 hours and 45 minutes, establishing what the company described as the world's shortest construction period for a building of this scale, using only 3 cranes and a large on-site workforce operating continuously through the day and night. However, The greatest significance of the living building system does not lie in any single speed record or any single completed project. For China and for the global construction and housing industry, this technology represents the moment when it became possible to deliver complete, fully finished residential buildings in hours rather than years, permanently changing the economic and logistical equation for housing delivery in rapidly urbanizing countries and in emergency situations where shelter is needed immediately. The manufacturing process for each broad group living building module begins inside the company's 230,000 square meter factory complex in Xiangyin, Hunan Province, where an automated and partially robotic production system operates across multiple parallel production lines to manufacture complete building modules at the pace and volume that large-scale construction programs demand. The production of each module begins with the fabrication of the B-core structural panels that form the floor and ceiling of the module, where rolls of high-grade stainless steel sheet are fed into automated forming machines that cut and shape the panels to precise dimensions before robotic welding systems bond the upper and lower stainless steel faces to the internal tube structure with welds of a consistency and quality that manual welding processes cannot reliably achieve across the continuous production volumes required by the factory's output targets. The completed B-core panels achieve a structural performance that allows them to support the full loads of a multi-story building while weighing a fraction of the concrete slabs they replace, making the individual modules light enough for the standard shipping container transportation that is fundamental to the entire system's logistics advantage. Once the structural panels are completed, they are transferred to the module assembly stations, where the rectangular steel frame of each module is progressively constructed around the floor and ceiling panels, with column and beam elements of stainless steel bolted into position rather than welded, so that the entire module can be disassembled at the end of its use at one location and reassembled at a new site without any structural modification or loss of load-carrying capacity. A feature that transforms the building from a permanent fixed investment into a relocatable asset that retains its value across multiple deployment cycles. The assembled structural frame then moves through a sequence of specialist installation workstations, where teams of factory workers operating in the controlled indoor environment install the complete mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems of the module, including all water supply pipework, all drainage connections, all electrical conduit and wiring, all circuit protection equipment, all air conditioning and ventilation equipment, and all lighting fixtures, all of which are installed, tested, and verified to be fully functional before the module advances to the interior finishing workstations, where floor coverings, wall cladding, ceiling panels, doors, windows, and balcony structures are installed. And finally, to the furniture and appliance installation station, where the specified interior fit-out is completed to the standard of a fully furnished apartment ready for immediate occupation. The result of this sequential factory production process is a building module that leaves the production line as a complete, finished living space, folded into the dimensions of a shipping container, requiring no further on-site work beyond being lifted into position by crane, bolted to the adjacent modules, and having its pre-installed service connections coupled to the building's central systems.